clarity. Knowing your brand. It is so crucial that every employee in your organization knows your brand. Now, I travel a lot, and I remember going into a country and going and reaching customs or immigration and seeing this brand marketing message everywhere. Service with a smile. But here's the problem. Nobody was smiling. No one was smiling, and that's a problem. Now, here is a brand message that's being put out there, but employees who don't know it or are unable to deliver it. Now, so my first tip for all of you is this, right? I mean, if you have a brand and you have a brand, ensure that everyone knows it. Make sure it's relevant to the people. I want you to start thinking about talking to employees and making sure that what you create from a brand standpoint is relevant to them. I really want you to make sure that you get everyone to understand the brand and make sure they know it.